Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Sam, and today I'm going to be doing a quick review video on these little mini locks, which are combination locks. Before we get started, please consider subscribing and like this video if you are new. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so first of all, I will be talking about where I got these lockers from. I got these lockers off of Amazon, and they're about $12, and it's a pretty good deal for three small locks. Also, the reason why I got these locks is because I would need one for the gym lockers, and I would need one for the school lockers in general, and maybe one like this will be an extra lock just in case if I lose one lock. So I'm pretty new to combination locks actually. At first I thought it was gonna be pretty hard to use. So I was like, will I get these locks? Will I just lock myself out of the locker and it will prevent me from getting my stuff that I need to get out for the next class? But apparently when I got these locks, I looked into the instructions on the back. It normally comes with like a code that you have on the back, but I took mine off. You'll have a code on the back, and it will give you directions of how to turn into those specific numbers. So my code was 39, 20, 37. Mind you, all three locks come with the same code, which is good because at least now I don't have to memorize all three codes. Now I'll be talking about how to use this combination lock specifically. Okay. So, what you have to do first is you have to turn to the right 3 times, and each time the 0 passes this like little, I don't know if you can see, but this little ball right here, each time it passes this little ball is like how many times you're turning. So let me show you. So right now 0 is above the little dot or whatever. Then that's our first turn. Now I'm going to make our second turn. This is our second turn. Then make our third turn. And this is our third turn. Now, like I said, first number is going to be 39. So, if you want to get to 39, you have to go to where the 35 is. So, you have to count like these little lines. Starting from 35, 35, 35, 36, 37, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. So just turn a little bit away from the 0, and then 39, which is this little line right beside 0. Right here, it's under the metal ball. So we're at 39 right now. Next thing you need to do is turn to the left to 20. But here is a tip. I won't go to 20 immediately like this. No. I have to pass 20, then I go to 20 again and stop. So pass it. Then I'm at 20 again. It has to be under this little ball. So if your number isn't under the little ball and somewhere else like this, your lock won't open. So you need to make sure it's under this little ball. After that, you're going to turn to the right again to 37. Now 37 is under the 35's marks. Right here. It's 2 away from 35. 1, 2. And then like 35, 36, 37. So right now it's under it. Next thing you need to do is open the shackle. So you can open it, and yeah, it's open. So that is basically how you open a combination lock. Let me show you a one that has a code on the back. So you can get how it looks. So this one has a code on the back, and if you don't want people seeing your code, you can take it off and you can practice with it at home, so you can memorize your code. So if you get to school, so when you get to school one day and you want to open your locker, you can't. You don't be like, oh my god, I forgot my code. What am I gonna do? That's gonna hold up a lot of time, and you're likely gonna be late for class, and that's not gonna be good. So, if you really enjoyed this quick review video on how to open a combination lock, please consider giving this video a like and subscribe, and turn on your notifications if you want more content from my channel. Okay.